to a city where the streets with golden lane. It is where the tree of life is blooming in heaven, where the roses never fade. If they bloom but for a season, soon, so soon, their beauty is decayed. But I am going to a city, oh hallelujah, where the roses never fade. Love runs from to be with Jesus in their robes of white array, and now they are waiting for my coming to heaven, where the roses never fade. If they bloom but for a season, soon, so soon, their beauty is decayed. But I am going to a city, oh hallelujah, where the roses never fade. Are you ready to meet Jesus in that home which He has made? Are you ready to be going to heaven, where the roses never fade? If they bloom but for a season, soon, so soon, their beauty is decayed. But I am going to a city, oh hallelujah, where the roses never fade. No long ago, in an old-fashioned meeting, I knelt on my knees there and prayed. He lifted my body, His shackles were broken, and His presence was so real everywhere. Now that the Lord I carry His letter, He has turned my gray skies to blue. My steps are higher, I have this assurance that the Savior will carry me through. I know, there's no doubt about it. He lives in my heart, and I'm gonna shout it. I know, my sins are forgiven, and I'm on my way to a place that's for heaven. Come go with me to a land over yonder. It's prepared for the pure and the free. It's a place where sickness and death pure white. I'm packing up now, getting my things together. Who knows, it may come tonight. I know, there's no doubt about it. He lives in my heart, and I'm gonna shout it. I know, my sins are forgiven, and I'm on my way to a place that's called heaven. Come go with me to a land over yonder is prepared for the pure and the free. It's a place